Hello guys, finally my Emirates ID is out after being scammed by my fellow Africans. So I met Karim, by the way. Karim promised me that he will do my process very fast, and actually he did so. He said, I will do your visa within 2 weeks. Surprisingly, he did it within 2 weeks. I get my Emirates ID. Here it is. Thank you so much for loving Africans. Thank you so much for being trustworthy. Thank you so much for being real. May God bless you, Karim, for last Africans. So I recommend Mr. Karim to my fellow Africans, for those who want to do freelancer visas, family visas, visiting visas, A to A, for sure. Banange, Bana Uganda banange, mujye mu bagire